કલ્ચરલ એક્સચેન્જ પ્રોગ્રામ હેઠળ વડોદરામાં અભ્યાસ કરવા આવેલા 6 વિદેશી બાળકોએ ભારતીય સંસ્કૃતિને પોતાના જીવનનો અભિન્ન અંગ બનાવ્યો છે। તો આવો આ વિદેશી બાળકો સાથે વાત કરીએ।
मैं मेxico से हूँ। मैं 15 years old and like so much Baroda because you feel like so free and so safe. I think Baroda maybe it's one of the safest city in India. I don't know, but it's so safe and so lively. At the night, you experience like lots of kids are on the roads having ice cream like 11. So then you feel so lively. You feel like you live where people live. You don't feel lonely. So at first, the first festival I experienced was Ganpati. So then I wanted to do like my own Ganpati. So we went to a workshop and with clay we made the Ganpati. Then in my society we decorate with a lot of flowers and we do the puja every day and like we did like the parade and we were like walking and with the music and that was so fun. Then next I experienced Navaratri. That for me that was the best part because I love dancing and I really want to learn every Indian dance, classical dance, Bollywood dance, traditional dance. So then I was so happy in Navaratri wearing the chanya cholis because it was like, oh, I'm wearing Indian clothes. So then the first time I wear a kurta, I was also so happy. I was like, oh, I'm wearing Indian clothes. It's like the best. Then in Navaratri, wearing the chanya cholis every day, asking my friends like, oh, these matches, they will look good. Yeah. So then we went like at 9 to the ground and then we were dancing till like 4 a.m. and I was so happy with that of my host family that they let me stay until night. And also with my first host family, they asked me if I want to go with them to LBP. And then I met the Queen of Baroda and I danced with her and that was also like, oh, I'm dancing with the Queen of Baroda. With Indian food, I don't say I have Indian food, but like a farsan. I like too much samosa. But for food, I like lots of dals, like all the dals, and chole bhature, it's best. In Diwali, I make 2 rangolis. It was like the first time I make, and I do it like handmade, not with the stencil. I do it handmade, and make so colorful because I said I want to do something that represents India. So before that, I also did like a little bit of research what they do their rangolis, all about that. So then I can make something that represents India. And then my family was so happy with those rangolis that they keep one under her. They have like a laughing Buddha at the house, so they keep it at the entrance of my rangoli. So I feel so happy about that they still keep it.
मेरा नाम फुज़ है। मैं कक्षा 11 में पढ़ता हूँ। मैं ब्राज़ील से हूँ। मैं भारत आया हूँ यहाँ की संस्कृति, शिक्षा और अधिक जानकारी प्राप्त करने के लिए मुझे कसरत करना पसंद है। मुझे पाव भाजी, पानी पूरी, जलेबी, बटर चिकन पसंद है। So since I'm here, I learned about the culture and the religion a lot. I did like some pujas with my family, went to some temples, Hindu giant temples, and it's been very, very good and interesting because the way of life here it's nice, very nice, and everything is too different. I went to like other festivals like Diwali, Ganesh Chaturthi, and etc. So it's been very nice, very nice. I learned many things. Gujarati is like Kemcho, Bolo, like बहुत confusing છે, but I know more Hindi than Gujarati.
બેસિકલી આપણા જે રોટરી છે એના થ્રુ એ લોકોનું એક્સચેન્જ ઓર્ગેનાઇઝ કરેલું છે એટલે બેસિક પર્પસ જેવી રીતે આપણે કહીએ કે વસુધૈવ કુટુંબકમ જે છે એ જ આપણે આગળ પ્રમોટ કરીએ છીએ એટલે એક્સચેન્જના સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ અહીંયા આવશે તો આપણા સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ બી એમના પાસેથી ઘણું બધું શીખી શકે છે પ્લસ એ લોકો આપણી સંસ્કૃતિ વિશે આપણા લોકો વિશે ઘણું બધું શીખી શકે છે અને અત્યાર સુધી જેટલું અમે જોયું છે છોકરાઓને ઘણું સક્સેસફુલ થયો છે પ્રોગ્રામ તો એમાં એ લોકો આપણી એકેડેમિક્સ બી શીખે છે એટલે અમારી સ્કૂલના છોકરાઓ આખો દિવસ જે કંઈ કરે છે એ લોકોનું શેડ્યુલ બધું સેમ ફોલો કરે છે એટલે જે અમારા છોકરાઓને અમે વેલ્યુઝ આપવા માગીએ છીએ એ સેમ અમે આ છોકરાઓને બી આપીએ છીએ।